Hi guys, this is me, Adriel, and this is Mommy. Today we're making peachy peachy.
Peachy! We need sugar. How much?
1 cup.
1 cup sugar.
Yes. 1 cup water and lye water.
How much?
1 tablespoon.
No, teaspoon.
Teaspoons.
And the coconut, grated coconut for coating. We're going to put the sugar. Okay, put it. Sugar. And then the water. And then, okay, the lye water. Lye water. Oh, wait, shake natin. Need to shake.
Check the water.
Ay, shucks.
Sus Mario.
Sus Mariosep. Ah, shucks. Okay, that's it. Alright, mix. Mix. Si Adriel, gawa ng pichi-pichi. Simple pichi-pichi lang. Alright. Okay, now it's ready. Adriel is putting it in the molder. Yes. Molder. Like that. Yes. Yan na. Yan na yung gawa ni Adriel. Tapos, lalagyan na siya natin dito. While we waiting for the boiling water. Steam natin siya. Ayan na. Ayan na siya. May natira pa. So, gagawin pa natin. Is it boiling?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay. Ayan, nagbo-boil na siya. Ayan, ilagay na natin. Sintayin natin siyang maluto. Let's set the timer. Start. Ayan na siya. Mukhang maganda yung pagkakagawa. Malambot. Gusto ko kasi yung malambot. Ayan, malambot siya. Parang very, very soft siya. Diba? Look at this, guys. Perfect. Perfect. Ayan. Ito na siya. Tapos, gugulong natin siya sa coconut. Grated coconut. Ayan o, ganyan o. Ganyan. Wow. Sarap. This is, ganito yung, pichi-pichi na gusto ko, yung malambot. Yung talagang lusak. Ayan. Ganyan ang masarap. Yung malabsak ba. Ayan. How is it?
Yummy.
Yummy? Ah.
These are the peachy peachy that we made.
Pichi-pichi. Tikman natin. Ang lambot. Ang harap. Ganito yung gusto ko, may lambot. Hindi siya yung makunat. Lambot. Pichi-pichi. Pichi-pichi.